All right, another success talk. In order to have people pay you, you need to have something to offer them. And that's what it comes down to. You need to have some benefit for others. You need to offer something that others can use in their lives. I mean, it could be bad or it could be good. You could be like a drug dealer and offer them something that makes them feel good, the drugs, or you can give them something practical, something that fixes their house or something that, offers to fix a problem in their lives. But that's really what it comes down to. In order to become successful, you just have to have something that people need or want. And that's it. If you create something that people need, they will pay you. Could be junk food, could be fast food, could be something that heals their health condition. It could be something that makes them feel good, just entertainment. People pay to go see a movie. People pay to listen to music or go to a concert. So you just have to have something to offer people that they are willing to pay for. That's what it comes down to. If you have something that people need or want, then they will pay you. And, there is no set formula for what that is. Usually when people come up with something, it's something that they needed in their own life. It was a problem that they needed solving. And there wasn't anything really that available that could solve that problem for them. So they had to figure something out on their own. They created some temporary little thing, some little gadget, they made it with duct tape and shoelaces or whatever. And then they said, hey, you know what? I could mass produce this. And they did. And that's why the show Shark Tank came to be, was people came up with ideas for something that helped fix a common problem that other people are having. So, what problems are you having in your life? Quit complaining about it. Quit whining about it. Figure out something that can fix it and then share that with others, and they are willing then to pay you for it. So that's a very common thing. And it could be like I said, it could be just entertainment. Like, look at this lady. I keep bringing her up an example. She was destitute. She had a child. She was on the street, no money. She scribbled on a piece of paper an idea for a book called Harry Potter. She's a billionaire now. That's entertainment. That's all it was. It was just a fairy tale. It was just a storybook. That's what she offered the world, and people were willing to pay for it. So it could be something as simple as a fantasy story. So quit thinking it's something that costs a lot of money to make or produce or have a factory make it. Something that people are willing to pay for. Think about it. Something silly. Something really silly. Even a gag gift. I remember back in the 80s, there was a lot of gag gifts that people were buying. I remember Pet Rock. I know a friend of mine back in art school who started that. He just took a piece of fuzz and glued it to a rock. And what did he call it? It was a mohawk on top of a rock. Oh, punk rock. He called it a punk rock. People bought it. People paid for it. It was a gag gift. Something as simple as that. Go collect some rocks and stick some fuzz on it and sell it as a punk rock. Anyway, so I hope this helped. I hope this gave you some ideas, because you got to put a little creativity into it, but it's really not that hard. It doesn't need to cost a lot of money. It doesn't require years and years of scientific research and production costs. I mean, it could, but anyway. So, if you have something to offer people that they need or want, they will pay you for it. One of the major rules of success. You need to be worth something. You need to be able to offer the world something. I hope this helped. See you in the next video.